Well, I love fish keeping. As you can see, I've got 2 freshwater tanks, and I would have to say there's a lot of maintenance with freshwater. I wanted something that was low maintenance, easy to take care of. We go away a lot as well.
Yes.
Living oceans do make it really easy for you to work the tank, understand the coral. They just make it so easy for you from day one. All I have to do every 3-4 weeks is just fill up the water reservoir, top it up with just normal tap water, break the glass down every 2-3 days. That's it. Very, very easy, simple tank. It's just nice knowing that that's pretty self-sufficient. So beautiful. I'm so happy with it. Yeah, couldn't be happier.